Problem solving. Despite good planning, problems may arise during a dive that must be dealt with in the right way. With experience, you will learn to recognize if something is going wrong before the problem actually occurs. At the moment, it is enough to know the most efficient way to deal with a problem. The first thing to do is to stop, breathe deeply, and consider how to solve the problem. Only after considering how to solve the problem should you act. Any problem, even the most banal, can degenerate into an emergency if it is not dealt with in the correct manner. Therefore, always stay calm. Remember that a diver's worst enemy is panic. Let's now take a look at some simple problems and how to solve them correctly. A flooded mask can be solved easily by clearing it. However, if you actually lose the mask, or if it breaks so that it cannot be used, you will have to learn how to ascend without it. Pay attention to the audible alarms of your dive computer and get your buddy to assist you as you ascend to the surface. A broken fin strap is an easy problem to solve. It is possible to swim with just one fin, and your PSS instructor will teach you how to do this. There are two possible problems that may occur with a buoyancy compensator. The BC cannot be inflated using the inflator button. In this case, just inflate it orally. The BC inflates by itself. To solve this problem, just detach the hose from the power inflator device. It is easy to prevent problems occurring with equipment. Just make sure that all your equipment is regularly serviced and that you check it well before each dive. In case of breathlessness, stop what you are doing and breathe deeply. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to ask. If you feel dizzy or lose your sense or orientation, you can follow the bubbles that always rise towards the surface. If you do happen to become separated from your buddy, the usual procedure is to search for 1 minute under the water, and if you cannot see him, you must ascend. This procedure should always be followed, unless the person responsible for the dive gave other instructions. Always apply the procedure of stop, breathe, think, act when faced with any unexpected problem during a dive. In case of entanglement in line or fishing net, it is no good trying to swim frantically. Get your buddy's attention and he will free you in just a few moments. Safe diving also means having some basic first aid and rescue skills. In this way, you will be able to assist a buddy in difficulty and even administer first aid in case of an emergency. Everyone, divers and non-divers, should attend a specialized course in first aid and cardiopulmonary resuscitation, such as the First Aid CPR course run by the Emergency Division of the PSS organization.